Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy Bitcoin on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll move from opening the trading workspace to placing a buy order using an entry price. I'll keep things simple and point out what you'll see on screen so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening the FXCM platform and navigating to the trading area. Click Trading to load the main workspace where you can browse markets and place orders. At the top of the workspace, you'll find the search bar. Type BTC into the search field. This filters the instrument list to Bitcoin markets available on your account. You may see different symbols depending on your region and account permissions. Choose the BTC market you intend to trade. Selecting it centers the focus on Bitcoin and opens its details, chart, and order ticket. Look to the right-hand side of the screen for the order panel. Click Buy to open the ticket for a long position. You'll notice several fields that affect how and when your order executes. For this walkthrough, we'll use an entry order, which lets you specify the exact price at which you want the platform to trigger your buy. Click Entry to switch the ticket from an immediate market order to a price-triggered entry. This is useful if you prefer to be filled only when price reaches your chosen level rather than buying at the current market. In the price box, enter your sample price. Pick a level that aligns with your plan. For example, a price below the current quote if you want to buy on a pullback. Double-check the price format and decimal places, and review the rest of the ticket so everything reflects your preferences before submitting. When everything looks correct, click Buy to place the entry order. The platform will confirm that your order has been created, and you should see it listed in your Orders or Positions area with the price you set. If price reaches that level, the order will execute and open your Bitcoin position. You've just searched for BTC, selected the instrument, set an entry price, and placed a buy order. Keep in mind that spreads, commissions, and overnight financing may apply, and that execution depends on market conditions at the time your entry is triggered. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so consider your risk tolerance and only trade amounts you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching this guide on how to buy Bitcoin on FXCM. If you found this helpful, feel free to replay any section while you place your own order and take your time confirming each field before you submit. Happy trading!